In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can switch seats here in vehicles while you're playing Battlefield 6. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. If at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, this is actually extremely easy to go ahead and do, so we're going to dive straight into this. If you are using a controller, it's the same button you use to jump. So once you're inside a vehicle, simply go ahead and press X to change seats, and you're going to see your view shift from the driver to the gunner seat or any other available position. Essentially, just keep tapping X to cycle through all the seats until you find the exact one that you want. For example, you can switch extremely quickly between the turret or the back to the driver's seat in just a couple of presses. And that is really it. Now you can move around in your vehicle extremely easy. On a complete side note, look at this view. It looks absolutely beautiful. This game is gorgeous. But hopefully this video did help you out. If you have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.